In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a related list in Salesforce. This is an essential task for users who want to optimize their Salesforce interface by displaying additional related data and records directly on page layouts. Whether you're an admin or a power user, understanding how to efficiently manage related lists will enhance your workflow and data visibility within Salesforce. So let's dive right in and get started. First, head over to the home page of your Salesforce account. This will set the stage for everything else we're going to do today. Once you're there, the next step is to click on the Quick Settings icon. This is usually located at the top right corner of your Salesforce interface. From the Quick Settings menu, you'll see an option to access Advanced Setup. Click on Open Advanced Setup to proceed. Now that you're in Advanced Setup, the next thing to do is navigate to the Object Manager. Click on Object Manager from the options presented. This section is essentially a hub where you can manage different objects within your Salesforce environment. Once in the Object Manager, you'll need to locate the specific object you wish to add a related list to. You're looking for the label that represents this object, so take a moment to find and select it. With your object selected, locate and click on Page Layouts to access and edit the page configurations for that particular object. Once inside the Page Layout section, you'll see a list of existing layouts. Choose the page layout that you wish to modify by clicking on its name. This brings us to the core part of our tutorial. On the selected page layout, look for the option labeled Related Lists, usually found on the side panel or toolbar. Click on this to view all available related lists you can add. Now, it's time to decide which related list you want to include. Select it based on the additional data you wish to display alongside your main object. This is critical for improving your data insights and interactions, so take your time here. Once you've identified and chosen the related list that best fits your needs, the final step is simply to click on the Save button. This action will apply all your changes and ensure that the newly added related list appears on your page layout as expected. And there you have it. You've successfully added a related list to your Salesforce page layout. This change helps you to view and manage related records without having to navigate between different pages, streamlining your workflow and making your data management tasks more efficient. Feel free to experiment with different related lists to see what configuration best serves your needs. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to share this video with others who might find it helpful. See you next time.